Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to fund your wallet using a debit card and purchase Ethereum on the Arbitrum mainnet. Let's get started. Firstly, once you have MetaMask open, you'll need to switch to the Arbitrum mainnet. Click on the network dropdown at the top of the MetaMask window, which by default might show Ethereum mainnet. As you can't see the Arbitrum here, we're going to have to click Add a Network. Thankfully, Arbitrum 1 is a very popular DeFi blockchain, and we can simply click Add to add it here. Now that we can just click Switch to Arbitrum 1, and we can see that this is now the blockchain that's been selected. So there are several ways that you can fund your wallets on MetaMask. You can do that through a centralized exchange account, or what we're going to do here is just do it straight through the MetaMask UI itself. So thankfully, this is quite straightforward. We're just going to click the buy button here. This will take us to the MetaMask portfolio website. So the first thing that we need to do is connect our wallet. So you should see this little blue button in the top right corner. Either your MetaMask will pop up on your screen, or you may have to click the MetaMask icon in your toolbar, and there should be a sign-in approval request there. Once you've done that correctly, you should see something like this. You can see that the wallet is connected and it's got your address pasted in here. So we're going to do it in USD. And we're going to purchase $30. And what we need to do is make sure that the correct asset is selected. So here this is Ethereum, but it's on the Ethereum mainnet. And what we want to do is purchase it on Arbitrum. So if we go to select a token, click the All Networks button and scroll down until we find the one we want. Here we have all the tokens available on Arbitrum. So we're going to select ETH. Again, change that back to $30. I've selected debit or credit card, but there are other options depending on what your preference is. So now I'm going to continue with that on Transact, and then I'll jump back in once that's finished. After the transaction is complete, return to your MetaMask wallet. You should now see your updated ETH balance on the Arbitrum network. And that's it. You've learned how to fund your MetaMask wallet using a debit card and purchase ETH on the Arbitrum mainnet. This process is essential for being able to interact with dApps and manage your digital assets. Thank you for following along, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need any further assistance. I'll see you in the next video.